Let's fix your Snapchat account if it's locked. Now, if you're trying to log into your Snapchat account, but you find that it is locked or it says when you try to log in that it's locked, I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, the first thing, of course, is if you're on Snapchat itself and it gives you some kind of message saying you can submit a form or an appeal, obviously go down that route first to submit that appeal. But if you don't have that, you can always hop into a web browser and we'll just type in Snapchat support form. And the first option, submit a request, I can tap on that. And the next thing I'll do is I can't access my account. And towards the bottom here, it says my account is locked. So I can tap on that and it gives me a few different things I can do to get it unlocked and fixed. It says, what can you do if it's been temporarily locked? You can tap the going here button right there. And it just says enter in your username and your email address. And you can go through the steps to unlock it. This is obviously the easiest way to unlock it. But if this doesn't work, let's go back. It says if your account is permanently locked, if you attempt to log into Snapchat and you see a message that it's been permanently locked, it means they detected some activity that violates the community guidelines or terms of service. So this is a more severe lock on your account. It's a permanent lock instead of a temporary lock. And it says if your account was locked because it was compromised, this is basically somebody hacked into your account. What you can do is you can tap the here button right there. And you can always fill out the form that basically says and walks them through that your account has been locked and you want basically them to recover it if it was compromised, if somebody logged into your account and they weren't supposed to. Now let's go back and there's some more things that it says if your account has been locked here. Let's try to refresh this, see if it'll go. There we go. My account is locked. Why is that not working? All right, let's try this again. My account is locked. So then we can go down. And the key thing here is that if you read towards the bottom, it says if your account was permanently locked because you violated the terms, in many cases, they will not unlock it. Basically, what you have to do at the very bottom is suggest maybe you just want to create a different account using a different email address or a different phone number. So you can go through all of these steps. You can try to contact Snapchat, but there's no guaranteed proof or evidence that they will go back to you and potentially unlock your account, get your account back for you. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.